Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise of your class 8, unit 10, coming home to Delhi. The first question is understanding the text. Question number A. Is this text mainly about how the author found Delhi when she came home to it, or about what Delhi was like before she left it? Where does she actually talk about how Delhi is now? Look through the different paragraphs until you find the one in which she does so. फर्स्ट का आंसर आपको फर्स्ट वाला दिख रहा है. उसके बाद आप सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो उतारोगे वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपके पेज नंबर 108 पर दिया है. लेट अस डिवाइड द टेक्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट द ऑथर टॉक्स अबाउट. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग. A to E, all 5 answers are given in your book. Now coming to question number 3. What do the children enjoy most during the train journey? So the answer is, as the train approaches the Yamuna, the children were given coins to throw into the river. मेनली जैसे हम देखते हैं कि ट्रेन में बच्चों के हाथ में कॉइन्स दे दिए जाते हैं जैसे ही रिवर वगैरह आती है. दे वर टोल्ड दैट व्हेन द कॉइन्स हिट द वाटर द चिल्ड्रन वुड गेट ब्लेसिंग. द चिल्ड्रन एन्जॉयड सिटिंग इन द विंडो एंड थ्रोइंग द कॉइन्स इनटू द वाटर. नाउ फोर्थ. हाउ डज द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब द साइट ऑफ द सिटी एज द ट्रेन एंटर्स इट? The answer is, the author talks about the view of the city as a miniature painting while the sun shines on the domes and minarets. Question number 5. The author focuses on 2 things about Delhi's past. One is political power, force, wealth and fame. What is the other? Were Delhi's rulers thinking about their own home just as the author is now doing? What did they miss the most? So the answer is, the author describes the food in Delhi and the food that the Mughal rulers preferred. We also learn about the history of Delhi's cuisine. Yes, Delhi's rulers were thinking about their home just as the author is looking back on hers. They missed the climate and the food the most. Question number 6. What had made the family master the art of getting thirsty people into 2 cars? What was the art? So this answer is quite big, पर आप इसे शॉर्ट कर सकते हो. There were no less than 30 people in the author's family. The author says that she could not imagine a family being smaller than 30 members. About a dozen of them were children. The author's family was very large and they must have had to use their cars several times to go out. They would have mastered the art while doing it so many times. The first layer in the car consisted of short ladies and teenagers. On their laps went the second layer consisting of 10 to 12 years old. The third layer consisted of children below the age of 10. The tall men sat in the front seat. On their laps sat the 10 to 12-year-old holding baskets and pots. Now coming to question number 7. How did the author when she was a schoolgirl get her lunch? Which words tell you this? So the answer is, the author as a young girl carried her lunch in a tiffin carried filled with chapatis, vegetables and a piece of mango pickle. Chapatis are cooked over hot fibers, buttered and stacked with the vegetables, and a piece of mango pickle in a tiffin carries to be carried by many people of their way to schools and offices, just as I did on my way to school in Delhi. And the last question is, home is not just a brick and mortar building. It is made up of things you love and will miss the most thing you leave. In the text, the writer describes what home means to her. Read the text again and write what are the kinds of things she loved about Delhi. So answer is quite interesting. The author fondly remembers her ancestral home in Delhi, but since a home is not just brick and mortar, she remembers the food that was laid out at such times of family gatherings and says that the daily menu of the local people has not changed much since then. She also reminisces and picnics and summer holidays at the hills. The next question starts appreciating the text. So this is answer number 1 and answer number 2. There are 2 questions given. First question is, identify other such lines in the text that appeal to our different senses: sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste. And second question is, how do the writer's recollections make you feel? Can you recollect any memories that are as vivid? This answer is free response. ये आप लोग अपने मन से भी लिख सकते हो. Now coming to grammar and usage. Question number A. Question number A starts from next page, that is page number 110. Read each sentences and say whether it is active, passive with do, passive with io. ठीक है, ये इसके आंसर्स दिए हैं. Then question number B. Rewrite each sentences as 2 passive sentences using the 2 objects and subjects. So both answers are there. Now coming to question number C. Combine each pairs of clauses by reducing the passive to form an adjunct of the active. First thing of which clause is to be reduced? Question number 3. All answers are there. And then words in use. 5 question and 5 answers. Then listening. अगर लिसनिंग आप लोगों को करना है तो ये आप लोग कर सकते हो. GPS students, you don't have to do this. You can skip from here. Your exercise is completed. And last is writing. Thank you for watching this video.